Hello friends and welcome back to House of Props. Today's build will be a quick one inspired by the game Elex 2. The game was released on March 1st. I haven't been able to get one for myself, but a friend of mine received hers about a week ago and she scheduled a game night for several of us to try it out. A collector's edition of the game was released which had the game as well as a statue, art book, concept album, soundtrack, steelbook, and this Cleric's Keychain. When I saw this emblem, I knew I just needed to make it. So I created the file in AutoCAD and used different line colors so I could keep track of all the pieces while I was building. And then printed the emblem on my Ender 3 Pro. To sand down the print lines, I'm only going to use a 180 grit sandpaper. While I'm sanding, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you can see all my future builds. Or if you're able to, scan this code to go directly to my channel on your phone. There are so many small details in this design, it will be difficult to get it very smooth. So to help, I'm using a 2-in-1 filler and sandable primer. I've never used this brand before, so I'm unaware of how it will work compared to my usual brand. The reason I went with this brand was because of the supply shortage and it was the only one that was on the shelf. But I will try treating it the same way and see what happens. This brand gave excellent results. I applied 3 coats and sanded after each coat with the 180 grit sandpaper. I'm going to use this mirror chrome airbrush paint to give the emblem its metallic effect. And there I have a quick build of the Cleric's emblem from Elex 2. There's a link to the file below so you can make one as well. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. And remember, if you are building any of my builds or using any of my templates, feel free and tag me at House of Props on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok because I would really like to see your fantastic work. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.